guys, you're here for another instalment from Force 15. This is update 2 on Cyclone Amos, after the joint update yesterday on Fantala and Amos, because they're both at the same intensity. Quite weird though. So this is update 2 as of 1000 local time, 1000 UTC. Storm's just crossed over the IDL within the last 24 hours. Storm's location at 12.8 south, 173.2 degrees west, with winds of 105 miles per hour, making it a category 2 on the Saffir-Simpson scale, the pressure of 956 millibars. Storm's movement east at 8 miles an hour. So storm's expected to intensify, but it's been pretty much just holding its intensity at this intensity. So cat 3 on the Australian scale as well. 10 minute sustained winds of 90 miles per hour as well. Has the air pressure up at 965, but we'll have to confirm that later as to whether that is the case or not. So yes. So this is the intensity forecast. Plus 12, 110 miles per hour, 950 millibars. 13 south, 170 west. Plus 24, 110 miles an hour, 950. 14 south, 16, 168 west. Plus 36, 115, major hurricane, 945 millibars. 15 south, 164 west. Plus 48, 120 miles an hour, 940 millibars. 17 south, 162 west. Plus 72, 115, 950 millibars. 20 degrees south, sorry. 160 west. Plus 96, 100 miles an hour, 960 millibars. 21 south, 156.0 degrees west. Plus 120, 90 miles an hour, 975 millibars. 23 south, 153 west. So that's all for the intensity forecast, and now on to the satellite imagery. So here you guys can see the visible imagery. Storm's currently located over Samoa at the moment, possibly making a direct landfall there. Though it's not clear as to where the centre of the system is at the moment, though. Samoa is receiving category 2 intensity winds at the moment. And here you can see the rainbow imagery. The cloud tops look like they're quite rapidly cooling from what we can see. Though we'll have to keep you guys posted as to what's happening with that. Possibly could spell some rapid intensification. The storm was expected to become a category 4, but the forecast now doesn't call for that. Here's the Dvorak imagery that looks like possibly a T4, maybe a T5, which does spell major system, major cyclone, category 3 plus. So we could possibly be looking at a major system in the next update, which will be relatively soon at 1300 British summertime, 1200 UTC, or when the next advisory comes out. So here you guys can see the AVN imagery, looking quite good in the system, a bit jagged to the north, a bit more nicely circled down towards the south. So it's might possibly organise and intensify. Again as well, the funk top imagery, sorry. I was trying to remember which one that was. Yeah, the funk top imagery looking quite good. Again, a bit more jagged up towards the north. Possibly might still be organising itself at the moment. Here's the RB top imagery, starting to looking like it's going to intensify. Because looks though the colours there are consistent normally with category 3, maybe category 4 systems. But yeah, next up, last image, the water vapour imagery. You can see some dry air off towards its west. Looking, it might not hinder the system, though it can affect the storm's path and how it intensifies. I believe that dry air is left in the wake of Cyclone Winston, which passed through there about a month ago, but dry air can stick around for quite a while. Here's the sea surface temperatures, not really much of a problem for Amos. The green is more where the sustainable temperature is, the yellow/green, which is about 15 to 20 degrees south at the present time, so not really going to be any hindrance towards Amos whatsoever. So next up is the wind shear maps, and see, wind shear is not really a problem. A huge band of wind shear off towards its south, but Amos is expected just to follow the sort of ridge of wind shear. You see there's a path pretty much through all across the South Pacific, and from about 15 to 20 degrees south, it just wind shear picks up to like 100 knots of shear. So yeah, now I'll just reiterate the latest updates. This is update 2 on Cyclone Amos as of 1000 local time, 1000 UTC. North location 12.8 degrees south, 173.2 degrees west, wind 105 miles per hour, making it a category 2 on the South scale and category 3 on the Australian scale, and a pressure of 956 millibars, movement east at 8 miles an hour. So Samoa again being affected by Amos at the moment. Thoughts are with you guys, and take heed of any warnings that you get or any instructions you are given. But anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.